In this video, I'm going to talk about learning products on the Disco platform. And learning products are everything from self-paced courses to cohort-based courses, but it's really configurable. You can have all sorts of different types of learning experiences. Your members will have to register for each course, and this gives you the opportunity of adding a paywall or an application gate. Let's go ahead and create one. I'm going to click on the plus icon here. I'll click Add Product, and there are several templates I can choose from. Let's build a self-paced course. And why don't we do a course on mastering Zoom? Here we go. Now the access can be public, which means that everyone on the internet can register for this course and they also become a member. Or you can make it members only or invite only. We're going to click Save Draft. The course is going to be built in the background. Here we go. And now I'm on the dashboard for the course. Nobody can see this yet because the course is in draft mode, so you can configure this how you like. You can customize this dashboard by dragging and dropping blocks. But we're going to go into one of the apps. This self-paced course comes with two apps, the curriculum app and the members app. Now, the curriculum app is really where the nuts and bolts of a course is. This is where you can have things like assignments and quizzes. And you can organize that into modules, and modules can have prerequisites, so it can get quite robust. But we're going to keep this simple, and we're going to go ahead and add a new item to this module. And I can add videos, assignments, or quizzes. We're going to write a lesson using AI. So why don't we say, write a lesson with top 5 tips on using Zoom. Great. So this gives me a nice draft of an article I want to write. I can edit this and then save it. Now you'll notice while it's writing this in the right, I can reorganize these different items in the module. And I can also, if I hover over here, I can add a new module to really organize my course however I like. I can also add additional items and I can look at the settings. But AI is done. It's even added a nice image for me. I'm going to click Save and I'm going to exit from here. There we go. So there's an example of how easy it is to quickly build a curriculum on the Disco platform. If you want to extend your product, you can actually add different apps. So for example, I could add a channel here so that everybody, let's add a general channel so that everybody has the opportunity to chat with one another while they're taking the course to make it more social. And once I'm ready, I can publish this course. So we're going to click Publish. Here we go. Great. Now the course is live. And so anybody can register for it. I can view my analytics up in the upper right. I can also quickly jump to the registration page, set up certificates, and dial in the settings.